Hi, my name is Jose Hoyos. Thank you for buying and supporting the Bodcat STEM Kids program, and I'm going to show you how to make a thermometer. So the materials you're going to need are a measuring cup and half a cup of water, an empty container, it can be a clear jar or just an empty bottle, a clear straw, some food coloring, some Play-Doh, and some isopropyl alcohol. So the first thing you're going to do is get 1/2 cup of water and mix it with half a cup of isopropyl alcohol. Alright, and then once you have that mixture, you can add the food coloring. And just mix that together. And once you have that mixture, you can just go ahead and pour it into your container. So once you have your liquid in, you can go ahead and grab your Play-Doh. And you want to form a seal on the top of the bottle to hold the straw. So just grab a bunch of it. And just put it around the top. And once you have that, you can put your straw down. So you want to make sure that the straw is held by the Play-Doh, but the bottom should be below the liquid. And you want to add enough Play-Doh here at the top so that there's no holes near the side of the lid or near the side of the straw, because we need to make an airtight gap, or an airtight seal. So now you have your thermometer. The first thing I'm going to have you do is put your hand around the liquid, and the heat from your hand is going to go into the liquid and make the level in the straw go up. And now to show you what happens when it gets colder, I prepared this ice bath. I just got a bunch of ice and put it in a container, and I put this cup in the middle to hold the bottle. So I'm going to put that in. And now you'll see the level in the straw go back down. Now if you don't want to do this, you can actually just put it into your fridge and see how the level changes before and after. But if you do, then you can see the level change as it gets colder in the ice bath. So the reason that all worked is because as the liquid gets colder, it contracts, and so it goes down the straw. And as it gets warmer, it expands, and so it goes up the straw. And the reason it doesn't go up on the sides is because we created this airtight seal, so the air stuck inside the bottle is keeping the water at the same level. So that's how you make your own thermometer. Thank you for buying this Bodcat STEM Kits and supporting our program.